Welcome back. You can now begin to customize the entire site by using the menus in the very same way as you would with the announcement bar, the header, and the image banner. For example, we can customize the section that says Rich Text, and we'll be customizing the section that says Talk About Your Brand. We can customize the Featured Collection section. And you'll see a right side menu here where we can change some of the elements of this section. We can make changes to the collage, and you'll see the collage come up on your screen. You'll have a right side menu. You can then make changes to the video and where it's placed. And for example, you'll be able to see that you can make changes to the URL if you have something on YouTube. And so basically what you'll be doing is you'll make changes to the properties on the right side, and you'll access the individual section to be changed on the left side, and you'll watch your changes in the middle of the dashboard or canvas. You can make changes to each page in the very same way. So for example, we're looking at the home page. We can pull the menu bar down, and we can make changes to individual pages. You have the ability to create a default page, a contact page, and even to create a template. You can add an entire section to your page. So for example, we can add in a section like the multi-column section, or the collage section, or the featured collection section, or the image banner, or header, or announcement bar. We'll click Add Section, and we can add in the kind of section that we want on our website on the individual page that we are working on. Basically what we'll do is we'll add the block that we want. Like for example, we'll add in this email sign up block, and we can make changes to the properties on the right side. We can also change the position of an individual block where we want it to be. And all we'll need to do is to drag and drop that block to where we want it to be on the page. We'll grab the ellipsis on the right side, and we will then drag the block where we want it to be. And we'll see it appear on our site in real time. If we want to delete the block, we'll click on top of the block. We'll go to the right side menu in the properties. We'll then click Remove Section, and the block is no longer visible. If we make a mistake and we want to go back, we can go to the Undo button. We can add it back to where we want it to be. We can then click Save. So we can design each page of our site by working with the block inside of Shopify. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.